Game should be live now. Streaming with a different setup today because my NixOS broke completely and I couldn't even load into Hyperland. The UI couldn't help me fix it. Today I'm setting up my Raspberry Pi web server. First thing I need is to flash an OS, and I'm gonna use 64 Lite, this one. Octoprince is so old, oh my god. This will be server with local. I will have DHCP set up on Pi, so I'll have to input it again. Because for some reason it doesn't work. Okay. Me. This will be my password. I have R key. So bad. This should be it. I'm gonna disable LAN because I will use Ethernet. So you don't want to care about disabling it. What? No telemetry. Save, just write. Yeah. Didn't even ask for permissions. That's how good Arch is. Okay, and while it's writing, let's just visit CasaOS itself, the heart of this server. I've installed this exact setup, but with Pi-hole before, but then I saw that CasaOS did much more than expected, so it should actually care about DNS and stuff by itself. And I actually can install a Pi-hole plugin on CasaOS. So I'm reinstalling it all, and I've decided to stream this. I'm reinstalling the NOS instead of just deleting Pi-hole. So CasaOS, personal cloud OS. It's just an application layer that looks like Mac OS with a web interface, which is kind of fun. Kind of like it. Featured in everywhere. Discover amazing self-hosted apps. Yeah, I like this. Connect all your precious data. Access your server anytime, anywhere. Yeah, here's macOS. Yeah, here is Pi-hole. You can install Pi-hole. You can install a lot of stuff with WAD. There was graphene, I think. I don't know what this is. I hope that there was Cloudflare, which I will use because this is the server I'm going to run on my New Year event. I wish there was a Fluidd or Mainsail as 3D printing service. There are DNS, of course. I will search for it. Yeah, dashboard. I really like this interface. It feels so much like Mac OS to me because I have never tried it or probably. Yeah, command line interface, CLI terminal. Is this SSH port? Wow, this. I mean, that's cool. Cool. Do home data center. Yeah. Managing files, shared files across the network, protective family privacy data. Really add disks and expansion spaces. My Raspberry Pi 3B because like it's too slow, too bad already. I need more powerful server, but I don't have money. Actually, I need to set up. Where am I? Hey, where am I? Need to set up donations. Simple, elegant, etc. for the personal cloud hackers. There is I know two alternatives to Raspberry Pi, which is Zima Cube here. It's good, and Repco Pi. But if I will buy a new server, I'm probably going to buy a Raspberry Pi 5 because of Raspbian OS. I like this operating system. I just like it. I want it, and we're very fine already. Let's try it. Widget. Can I show this? Now I can't say that I'm talking to myself because this will be recorded and sent to YouTube. Log in with Twitch. Please don't show my personal data. Tremelements.com dashboard. Okay, this should live. Yeah, I'm live. 0 tips, 0 new viewers, 0 viewers. Yeah, actually I like this dashboard a little more. I like this dashboard a little more than Twitch dashboard. So I'm gonna go to symptoms elements documents copy URL. Oh, it's done. I didn't hear the sound for some reason. Maybe it's because no disturb. Notification. PWA around activity. Don't care. Okay, so I wanna add set overlays. Browser source. That's the quick distraction. Bad distraction. Shouldn't do something. Hello, Evo on site. What is the resolution? I don't remember. I remember like 14 digits of pi, and the only two programs I did that can calculate pi are this one, I think, something like that. And circle. So yeah, this one, and calculating pi using circle and placing random points in a square and checking how many landed in the circle. That's basically it. 565 20. Sorry. Okay. So this formula, I've implemented it on Pi Day in the last year. Okay, so I've got my OS installed. Let's boot up now. Okay, the Pi is booting up. This is garbage. It doesn't work. It doesn't show the actual goal. Let's test. Manjaro is because my NixOS broke totally, and I can't boot into Hyperland. And I booted to Manjaro. That's OS I've used before, and I really liked it actually. I'm gonna hopefully switch to Arch with Nix Package Manager, KDE tools, and left VM, and Gwix Package Manager, I think. Why not Arch? Well, Manjaro is based on Arch. That's the first Linux distro I've tried and actually used for quite a while. There's text. Okay. It's fine. Podman. Stream Elements is lying. My chat overlay and chatbot and overlay doesn't work right now. But Podman, yeah, I don't know about Podman. I hear about it like second time in my life. For open source first and won't lock you in Podman desktop. Containers, best friend open source containers too. Oh, I see. I saw it in something that used containers. I think DistroBox uses Podman or Docker. CasaOS, by the way, uses Docker. I've never used either of those, actually, like in my life, because I don't feel like I need containers. I don't like the idea of starting basically a virtual machine just to develop something. I like the idea of Nix shell, which gives me private packages or Nix flakes. Yeah. Okay, we're here. We're on my Raspberry Pi, which doesn't have NeoFetch even. I've tested last install. No boot time. Slows native. Yeah, but maybe actually it's good. Maybe I should try using Docker or Podman, because those are supposed we used with it. Okay, install new fetch, and it will show. Oh, it will show a Debian. Docker is much maybe. Like, Docker doesn't have a UI. There are a lot of clients for Docker. So this is gonna say Debian because Raspbian OS, the last one, for some reason, is not customized like new. Wow, it's fast. It's not customized. Okay, CasaOS, and I wanna choose a shell for my server. Last time I've used my Raspberry Pi as a server. I've just installed Fish and didn't care about configuration at all. On my machines I use Dash or ZSH or Z-Shell, my favorite pronunciation, because I like it. And I have a huge config for it, which has my keybinds, colors, Starship. Today maybe I should try something different. I heard something like the Dash. No, Dash is like, it's just like Bash shells for Linux. I've used Fish. Yeah, Fish is really cool. It parts with man pages. It has really great completion. Yeah, ZSH. Fish has really great completion. Fish has web interface, commands like fish add to pass or something, but it's slow. The only thing I don't like. ZSH is slow too. Dash, here is Dash. CSL. And Fish is not really compatible with Bash. It has much stuff changed. The next, I don't like this. Dash. Bash. Yeah. Bash. We all use Bash. This shell. That shell. This shell, that's how I pronounce it. Bash is trash, and it doesn't even really catch. Yeah, but it's installed everywhere. No, that's its default look, and that's why I didn't use it on the server, because it needs configuration. Fish, on the other hand, it's configured. You just open a web interface and it's configured. Is there any fast version of Fish shell? Fast alternative. Bash. The shell. Project burn down. Starship is integrated into shells. Yeah. Oh, my ZSH is integrated into Zesh or this shell. New shell. Maybe. Ash. You can take this. New shell. What's new shell? Oh, I remember something like that. This actually looks good. iTerm. PowerShell. Never. I will never use PowerShell. Especially on Linux. Even on Windows, PowerShell is bad. Elvish. PowerShell Studio. Another dash shell, Cord shell, TCL, WinBash, Tmax. Yeah, Tmax is totally a shell. ASH is I think ASH is as close to SH as you can get. Tmax, use Delege instead. Or J. Okay, so we have two choices, fish and new shell. Brewing get new. Oh, I remember how hard it was to install fish on Raspberry Pi. Like before, it was 32-bit OS and it was mainsail OS actually. Some new patch. Here it says Debian. It's Debian. Yeah, it's not Raspbian OS. On Raspberry Pi 3 Model B revision 1.2. That's my server. Shell bash. Let's try new shell. Let's try a new. Okay. Installing pre-built binaries. AUR, Arch, Alpine. Is that what Docker uses? Alpine. I mean, Docker users use Alpine in Docker because it's fast and the smallest like OS image. XOS, Manjaro, RPM, WinGet, cross-platform installation built from source, all that. I need to install those. Fish. Oh, fish. Is it an apt? I remember like in apt for Raspberry Pi, Raspbian OS old, it was old version of fish. Installing fish on headless Raspberry Pi. I'm spending so much time on this because I will spend a lot of time in terminal because of New Year event. Shell script files. I mean, it's an apt. You see, it has a completion, but it's slow. It's slow, but it's great if I do apt. Actually it's broken with sudo. If I type sudo, some commands are broken with fish. By broken I mean completion is broken. But here I just type tab and I see all sub commands. This is useful. This is nice. Now I need to edit my shells, something like that. install, add, set up as default shell. Change shell user local bin fish. Fish. Which fish? User bin. It's not user local bin, it's user bin. I'm gonna have trouble typing my password because it contains R, letter R. And my R key is broken. Okay. Which command I did? This sudo t -a etc shells. ls etc shells. I mean get nano. I can't write. I can? Oh wow. And it's already here. Dash? Why? Okay, so I'm gonna page again. Okay, here is fish. We've got fish. And now the question is, will I be able to install CasaOS using the one command installer with fish? Oh, sudo bash. Okay, that's not a problem. We will try. Okay, this will take a little bit of time. It's GitHub. CasaOS. Wow. 600 commits is not much. Features, friendly UI. No code. That's not. There are quite a lot of files. Package interface drivers. I mean, operating system, kind of. It's installed under Linux, but it's kind of OS. Okay, symlink, installing. Okay, we're installing. And actually, if I do server local, like here, I mean, I set host name to server local. This won't work because I don't have DNS nor nor this nor this. So this won't work because my Raspberry Pi is DNS, so I'll have to wait until it installs, set up a DNS server on it, and then and add Raspberry Pi server.local or probably server.py, which is my favorite name, host name, whatever. My server should already have set up DHCP DNS to Raspberry Pi's IP address, because I did this before and it shouldn't really change, and I should be able to use it immediately after I install it. No, I don't know. Should I use Pi-hole under CasaOS or just DNS? What I was going to do? Oh, fish configure fish on headless Raspberry Pi, because it uses browser configuration. And they had some trouble opening SSH port or something. New page. Yeah, that's what I should have got, but I've got Debian logo. Script. Fish on Pi is a good idea now because it's very slow. Yeah, it's kind of problem. Arch Linux. Maybe I should have installed Arch on my Raspberry Pi. Activate fish. Raspberry Pi edition. Wow. Arch on Raspberry Pi. How? Reboot, nano, config, drinking. Oh well, it takes. Want to open fish web config. Yeah, something like that. Fish config. I can actually open a separate terminal and SSH into my Pi. Right now. It's actually faster than before, I think. So fish config. There's a problem with it because I can't open this on my PC. Because it's on fish. It's on what am I saying? It's on Raspberry Pi local. So I need to something like SSH port forward or something like that, or tunnel, something like this, or I think this one actually. So I'm gonna have to this, I think. Yeah, and SSH to name. Yeah, SSH to know. Something like that. SSH-L port here, port here, remote server. Something like that. And I need a remote password. And it should be forwarding already. Now I'm gonna quit. How to quit? You're gonna try to enter it. No. Okay, am I lagging? Is stream laggy? Oh, some frames are dropped, I mean. This UI. I was on Hyperland for such a long time. Yet I want to exit. I want to open this config again. Why is that working? Connection refused. What do you mean? Passport forward. Why it doesn't show me any messages for forwarding was successful? Okay. Why control click shuts it down? Just need to exit, to enter it again, and now can I copy URL? How do I copy this URL? Can't do anything. Browse prompt. Browse. Right. Can I have it not show this interface? Yeah. Okay, let's type it in, because that's what Pi wants. I pin it. What can I do with my Wake? Focus, configure behavior. Yeah, it should be. No, can I make it at the bottom? Temporarily. Title bar. Position, hide duration, with hide duration. I can lower the width. This won't help me. Left threshold, no. Open window. Mouse and mouse pointers move towards them. Start the window full screen states. Why can't make it at the bottom? Actually, I can just do this in terminal. Terminal, I mean console. Stage into my Pi. Wait, am I in? Yeah, this I like Windows. Can I do this? I'm so used to tiling window managers. Fish config host 8000 B27 A5 FB 20 EC 53741 double 4. A O, oops, O 1 9 BA 8254 1 1 BB0. Error response. Forbidden. What do you mean forbidden? What do you mean forbidden? What do you mean? Yeah, actually, I can do this thing. Yeah. SSH user. Maybe this for user. Okay, let's retry. Problem loading the page. Can't open history. For some reason I can't log into it. Well, actually, maybe this one. I don't think so. Let's regrab or grab. No locked. Here the rip grab I'm just gonna grab because I don't have rip grab. Address return by action. Address no. That means I need the file actually. So this one. I mean, like href localhost. This. Okay, this should be it. What about CasaOS in the meantime? It's installed. It's installed. Yay. Okay, let's finish up with this shell. Fish, please. Item file, fish creates with port, web service bound to at 8000. SSH-L 8000, localhost 8000, user at host. My R key is really bad. I'll say I'm hitting wrong keys. Okay, I'm in. Okay, localhost. Or should I put Vice IP here? Have you tried FreeBSD? No, I haven't. I don't feel like I mean, looking at the name, I can download it, but I didn't think about it. I can. I wanna try Quick. It's GNU Linux distribution, which is really similar to Nix, but it actually uses Nix inside, but it's not Nix. It's just another NixOS, let's say. And what about FreeBSD? I can't open my fish config. The FreeBSD project. I mean, I'm a fan of Linux. I don't think FreeBSD is Linux. It's Unix based, I think. FreeBSD is a better system used to power modern servers, desktops, and embedded platforms. A large community, not large, it's Linux one, has continually developed it for more than 30 years. Yeah, it's old. Its advanced networking, security, and storage features have made FreeBSD the platform of choice for many of the busiest websites. Who uses FreeBSD? And most pervasive their embedded networking and storage devices. What does it offer? Is there an image? I mean, what is this? KDE desktop on FreeBSD. I mean, it's what is it? Is this like a Linux distribution? Maybe I'll try it actually. But really, I feel like my route is Arch with a package manager and left VM or Gwix. But I feel more like Arch with Gwix package manager would be better. I mean, I had DistroBox with Arch on my NixOS, and yeah, I'm stopping. I can't get Fish to work, or Fish Web UI work. Choose list, save, show, prompt. Okay. Let's get close. Let's get back to work. Fish CasaOS. It's right now I have to use IP, and yeah, it is this. Wow, it even has my password. I wonder what password it saved. Sorry. Oh, it's totally wrong password. Yeah, it's my 3D printing password. I'm gonna now make a password without a letter R because it's broken on my keyboard, and F2 and T I think is dying already. Update password. We're good to go. CasaOS dashboard will get latest news. Yeah, I accepted. Here is our Mac OS. I mean CasaOS network status, widget settings, time. Yeah, I want time. I want system stats because I want to look at this. Storage status. Maybe network status. Maybe. It doesn't really fit. Account me. What is this? Edit account, change name, change password. Simple settings. Search engine. Google Bing start page. Google show search bar. What is search? What? This is just an OS. Let's use ZFS. What is ZFS? Is it a file system? Oh, FreeBSD. It use. What do you mean by it? ZFS. I mean, it's probably supported in all major operating systems. FreeBSD, I think it's their own file system, and I think I don't think they use it by default, only for servers or something. Okay, drag icons to sort. Wow, what about Google? I wanna know what this is. Allow pop-ups. CasaOS. CasaOS is just installed on your Linux, and so I mean it's running on my Raspberry Pi just as application, and whatever file system my Raspberry Pi uses or any other server, it supports, I think, a lot of stuff. Whatever file system you're running, it will use, and it will support whatever file system your Linux distribution supports. So for me, unfortunately, it's FAT32 because my Raspberry Pi is based on SD card and I don't have any drive, and I probably won't use a files feature, which is the most powerful feature of CasaOS. Like it's a drive. But yeah, App Store, macOS 5. I don't know what Mac is actually. Some logos. Oh, logs. Too much compiler stuff. I want to see the password. Okay, I don't think that's the right password, but maybe it is, because I don't know what password it requires. Probably it's actually Casa password. No, it's SSH password, so I just do lowercase one. Not Casa password. Connect. Can I have a safe password? Username and port. Stream. Wanna see password? Of course, I had 2 R's in my password. Some security stuff. Let's be secure. You can format SD card to others, and yeah, but I mean, I use Raspberry Pi imager, and it formats to whatever it wants, and I still don't think that. What? Oh, extra T. I don't think. Yeah, here we go. X4 works. Maybe. Still, my SD card is only 32 gig. Where is all my memory? Where is all my memory? Oh, 25 gigs available. So I still won't use it as whatever. FAT32, maybe it's not FAT actually. Linux PQ file system. My T is now just randomly pops up. What? LSBLK. I'm gonna try this in Casa terminal. How can I add another password? Minus login here. Edit, remove, add. Is it? Can I delete this one? Yeah, I'm gonna add. Okay, shows password. Can you not show password? Yeah. I just wanna stay secure. So if I reload the page, I like this system. It still doesn't show me it. Whatever. Very good. Run ZFS on my whole PC. Should probably do the. I mean, I have BRTFS. Save my save. Please save it. Yay. I have BRTFS on my dev drive, which is my main work drive, I would say. All my code is here. Everything I do is here. Mostly. Bash, what's that? Oh, that's me learning Bash. All my code is on BRTFS. Maybe I should install ZFS on my SD card, but I mean, I don't really care. I don't really write to it much. I use Raspberry Pi as computation system. I mean, it's faster. I use my Raspberry Pi as like it receives HTTP requests, it sends HTTP requests, it sends responses, and it doesn't really write and read from disk. I mean, it does a lot, but still it's not a drive. LSBL type a size file system mounted. And they still don't know how to install Raspbian OS on an SD card formatted with other. Whoever followed. Evo on site. Thank you for the follow. Just know what this sound is. File system. Okay. I still don't know how to install a Raspbian OS or any other OS with Raspberry Pi imager on SD card formatted as specific file system. I want to know what file system format. Find MNT. Type find. Oh wow, that's a lot. It's ext4. The root is ext4 and this is vfat. ext4, it's not FAT32, so it's not bad. RAM 29%. Storage healthy, no 0 bytes used, 0 bytes total. Okay, App Store. Let's go to App Store. Let's see. So, okay, so here's App Store actually. Custom install. There's a lot of stuff. And we can have a look at those. Add Guad, which removes ads. Bazaar, letter generation. I don't know what this is. Home Assistant, Jellyfin. I don't know. LiDAR, photoprism. What? Oh, it's said. 2FA, web manage. What do you want to manage? I mean, like, OTP generator. I have Google OS on my phone. I don't need it. Add minor database. Plus, if someone hacks me during New Year events, I don't want to lose all my data and dox myself. File browser. This here's Pi-hole. There's Cloudflare somewhere here. I'll need Cloudflare to continue in the background. Yeah, here it is. It's downloading. It uses Docker containers, I think. Yeah. Lina memos. Lightweight. DNS. Plex. What is Plex? Music, gaming. Require memory. Excellent. Video, music, and photos from personal. Most of stuff here is Nginx proxy. Most of stuff here is first databases, second downloaders, third media, storages, fourth, and fifth ebooks. Yeah, I think it says with modern server, modern, whatever. You can also add custom packages like this: Docker image, title, URL, reach. Network web URL is, I think, web panel. So the question is, should I install backups? Should I install this DNS service or should I install automation? What? Or should I install Pi-hole, because it includes DNS2 and this includes local control, private space, community. Think as Pi-hole is it blocks ads and it is a DNS, and I like it, but I don't really need a block ads feature, and if I will, I can just install this. I mean, I can't really, because it's DNS server. File drop. Why file drop isn't here already? Okay, I think I'm gonna go with Pi-hole. This is fun to voice chat. Yes, there are also chats, uptime command, monitoring to self-hosting, uptime robot. What is this? Takes quite a bit of memory. Uptime. Don't really want to load my system too much, because I will have to stream on New Year to YouTube and run a server at the same time from this Raspberry Pi, and it will be 24/7. This will be hard. 50 monitors. What's uptime monitoring? Is it like just memory, disk space, and stuff? Keyword, text to speech, maybe once. This takes quite a bit of memory. I mean, it feels like it will take quite a bit of CPU. So I'm gonna install Pi-hole first. Tips default password CasaOS. Yeah, I'm gonna change it. I still gonna change it. Probably. Hopefully to the password without R's, because it's broke. On Pi-hole, Data, yeah. Cloudflare is installed. I wanna check how many it takes. It's still here. Wait, search is here. Yes. Oh. Databases. Yay. Category developer. What categories are there? Backup, chat, cloud, database, developer, downloader, file sync, gallery, games, home automation, media, network, nodes, utilities, and web. What's web? Oh. A web app to listen to YouTube audio source. Utilities. Yeah, ChatGPT there is, Snapdrop, stuff. What? I wonder what's network automation. Workflow automation. Is it like programming language with code like language executes command? I don't know. I think I should have notes on my PC. Network, I stick with Python. No, network what's this? Home automation. I don't have smartphone. I wonder how Cloudflare works on Casa. Network status. It peaked. CPU is loaded quite a bit. The Cloudflare. Some secrets here. Cloudflare tunnel token. So it should be Cloudflare service installed. Okay, I'm gonna go to my cloud there. And I'm gonna. Sorry, I don't want to show too much sensitive information. Login. I wonder what Cloudflare's Cloudflare the web interface is. Oh, I need to log in again because because I logged in last time from my Inexus computer. Okay, dashboard, websites. I don't have a domain, so can't really test it. So come back. When I will get domain, I will maybe a newer image. I'll maybe try it. I mean, I have to have a domain up until New Year. If I want, I will take a subdomain or something like that, or a free domain. Unfortunately, Prenom is not available right now. Wow. 24 12 powerful. Alex interface system status. CPU RAM. Wow. That's cool. Error. Okay. Container pi hole is unhealthy. What do you mean healthy? Okay, SSH. This SSH and from this SSH. What do you mean healthy? Okay, what's this thing? This continuous file synchronization program. I don't need this. And smart home, I don't need this. Apps install customized app. Can you just open Pi-hole? Admin. Oh wow! Query is blocked and stuff. I think it's just default filters right now. And DNS should actually work. Oh no, don't like this port here. Pi.hole HTTP pi.hole. Pi.hole hostname developed. I mean, I can't set a port for a DNS server, can I? I can't. Disable blocking indefinitely. Enable blocking local DNS records. I'll add DNS records from my Raspberry Pi. I'll change by whole password, but I can't. Let me just close video. Go into my router settings. There is some sensible information in them. Getting dark. Wow. It's getting dark so early. I can go into my network in DHCP server. I can't put a port here, so I can't really do anything. Pi.hole. It's running at port. CasaOS. Can I reinstall it? Uninstall, shutdown. Uninstall, delete user data. This feels like Mac OS. I wonder why Twitch sends me notifications via email. Here, let's reinstall it. If it won't work this time, I'll just install whatever DNS is here. Okay. Reinstall it. Next. Why? It was stop. Oh please. It was like settings. It should have showed me settings and configurations and stuff. You can try just DDNS go. Wonder what's the difference between DDNS and DNS. They want to use Pi.hole. Still like Pi.hole. Okay, let's see CasaOS Pi.hole. I don't have my ads blocked.
Welcome to PC Mac. In today's video, we are going to
I'm back. My PC is and my PC is overloaded for some reason. It's still fine. 11 frames. Really lag. Fine.
Welcome to PC Mac. In today's video, we are going to look
Pi.hole, yeah. CasaOS uses Docker.
a network-wide ad blocking
I don't think I can make it use
Raspberry
Podman.
Pi using CasaOS. So let's do it. Let's log
Yeah,
in.
what he has: transmission, next clouds, open speed test, and way.
My password from the machine. So let's move to App Store, and from here is the Pi-hole. Let's just go ahead and install it.
Yeah,
And the default password is CasaOS. Let's just go ahead and click OK, and it will start installing the software. It might take a moment, so I'll fast forward the video. Now the Pi-hole is installed, and the CPU is right now on 45%. That means we need to wait until it settles down to 2 or 4%. Now the
wait, means to wait. It's something new to me. Downloading your image. I'm gonna wait. I hope it will be fun now.
CPU settled down to 4%, no movement. That means the Pi-hole has been installed successfully. It's on 3, so now we can go ahead and open the Pi-hole, and it's open. Let's type the
It
password.
didn't ask me password this time.
CasaOS. Let's see, we have the Pi-hole dashboard in front of us.
Just why is this so weird? 1 digit, 2 digits, and 3 digits. I had like 1.6 million here.
And we need to configure it on our router. I'm going to open the router screen now and configure the IP address of Pi-hole in my router.
Container Pi-hole is unhealthy. What do you mean? Container Pi-hole is unhealthy. You're running Pi-hole without trouble from. Weird. Where are those configurations? Tips. Open settings, check for update and installed settings. Yeah, icon URL, web URL, 8080 admin, network breach. This doesn't make any sense to me, but it should in theory work. Pi-hole, check the update, installing Pi-hole. I wonder what this peak was. Download peak. 40 kilobits per second. DNS service is not running.
From here, we need to put the IP address of the pi hole. It's 14. And for the secondary DNS, we can use the Google DNS, or we can use 111, that is Cloudflare DNS, and apply. Your data have been saved. Now move back to Pi-hole, and we need to open a website that have some.
I wonder what CasaOS IP address is. Same. It's right. Be it. But I got a container and healthy. H. Wonder where all CasaOS files are stored. Okay, so let's just try opening it. Same login, enable login, local DNS records, pi.hole. Can I get to it? I don't think so. Maybe I should restart. I'm gonna add a DNS record of maybe I should restart my router. Something now. And a server I, which is this is the main. This I mean the CP is fixed. I've added DNS, custom DNS. No data available. Why? Okay, Pi-hole is still not up, I think. Server Pi. HTTP server Pi. I mean, why would they be able to? It's SSH. It should be SSH. Actually, server's name or service not known. I've added the domain. What do you mean? In DNS record groups. It's loading. It doesn't work. Pi-hole, what's wrong with you? Okay, should we restart it? Storage manager. Bootfast and rootfast, yay. The only drive I have. Can I reboot here? Reboot. It's similar boot now. Rebooted. Yeah, this thing not really broke. Just rebooting. And now we wait until the device will come up again. It's doing something. No route to host. Oh, I don't like this message. I really don't like this message. Let's refresh. I really don't like this. Let's wait. I'm gonna go to my router settings to see what's wrong. Why would it say me? Okay, the device with a wrong name actually, but I know. It's just my router's problem. I'm gonna name it server. Name it Pi server. Okay, it's here. I'm gonna into settings, DHCP server. There is an IP address, DDNS. Should be it. Should be it. But I can't get to my Pi now. I don't like this. Oh, it it is. It's running. Okay. Pi.home. Still can't open Pi.home for some reason. Why is it black and white? Open. Run it. Is this like service not running? Why? Why? Type settings, checks and update. Reload, restart, whatever this button does. Refresh. Response done. Can understand? New task. What was that? Why can't access by home? I mean, find.home/admin. Still, this is. What's up? Is that okay? Well, put away. This is so weird. Restart. Please restart. A response. Give me this message. Cannot restart container. Failed to create task for container. Failed to create shim task. OCL runtime create failed. Run C create failed. Unable to start a container process. Error during container init. Error mounting. I hold to root fs at that I hold. No such file or directory unknown. Error response from Diamond. Failed to create some task. Yeah, what's wrong? It's a lot. It remains the same. Is Casa working? Yeah, CasaOS is working. In fact, can I get to Cloudflare? Can't get to Pi-hole. It doesn't let me. Okay, let's uninstall Pi-hole and just install another DNS. Fortunately. Let's try DDNS Go. What is DDNS, I wonder? Dynamic DNS, oh. Well, Pi-hole is the dynamic DNS too. What is DHCP one? DHCP. Dynamic host configuration protocol. Installation completed. What are you doing now? Downloading your image. What your image are you downloading? It doesn't work. I'll turn to that. Okay. DNS Go is much simpler. Chinese. It's in Chinese. And change the language somehow. I don't want to. No, I don't want it. I want a better DNS. The App Store. Let's search for DNS. AdGuard. I don't want AdGuard. I want Pi-hole. But Pi-hole doesn't work, which is annoying. CasaOS Pi-hole container is on LC. Let's see. Confused about Pi-hole Docker CasaOS. Man, Casa still have default install. Installs Casa displays Pi-hole container. Let's see. It's running. And then you go to CasaOS and see GUID and or PUID something like this. Here remember. First time change goes to 0. Let's try it. I don't feel like add ward with Pi-hole at the same time is a good idea, but I'm gonna try it. Install and ward. Just installed it. Yeah, that's me. Typical me. Where is Pi-hole? Pi-hole, come back. I want Pi-hole. Install next thing. 545 is our iOS and CasaOS using desktop server. Docker running. Almost my Casa switch to Pi connection. The computer saving Pi-hole. Still try it because I ran Pi-hole on my Raspberry Pi when I installed it before Casa, and then Casa actually Casa worked together with Pi-hole, but I decided to reinstall it all, to install Pi-hole inside of CasaOS, and now I have trouble. For 1.5 hours already. And I need to rebuild this streamer. Asterisk crying, asterisk. Because I don't want to rebuild the streamer. But I have to use RTMP sync too. Maybe I don't have to. Yeah, I'll go SSH into it. I also need to install Fluidd. Right now, I wanna up with my PC. Live. I feel like my call is just loading my computer. My Raspberry Pi is loading my computer. Why is it so slow? Get install JStream Raspberry Pi. I need JStreamer 20. JStreamer 20. 1.18. I'll just streamer with this. Let's try it. My SSH is so slow. Streamer still installing. Close this, close this. 3% of CPU. 94%, 95, 98, 99, 100% extracting. Game, it's moving. Install streamer 1.0 tools. This will be so slow because I'm running two at the same time. Just package plugin space. Additional packages will be installed. So just packages. I need to also run full update of system. So it installs the packages. I also need plugin space, plugin root, plugin bait. But okay, downloading newer image. This we know this won't run. Use patching here. Pi-hole is already available, but it won't probably work. I'm just interested. Container hostname, system name, privileges. This is what I need. It came saving it with root privileges. At least I assume that what this was. Our response containers already in use. Yeah, I don't care. I'll check the update. It's up to date. What's this refresh button? Restarting Pi-hole container. Pi-hole service. Container Pi-hole edited 0. What do you mean 0? What about streamer GST inspect 1.0 RTMP to Steam RTMP Steam. Okay, it's not installed. Test video SRC. Okay, Q is here. That's good. What about version 1.22? This looks good. Streamer just launch just version 1.22. Yay, that's great. Okay, what packages? apt streamer plugins. I need good plugins, bad plugins, and audio plugins, I think. Installing Linux. Okay, what about CasaOS? Pi-hole exited. Installing Pi-hole exited. Restart. It's running, I think. Root, install streamer Debian on Fedora, on Ubuntu or Debian. Okay, libg streamer dev. Get install streamer 1.2 tools. Arthur, yeah. So I'm gonna install them all, and it will automatically install some stuff. Automatically skip. I think. Okay, screen. Let's enter. Let's have screen. Wow. And I also want another package, but first I'm gonna install screen because it's really important. With it I will be able to run commands, and exit SSH and they will still run. It has some not nice bugs, but let's not talk about that. Okay, I think Pi-hole actually worked. No, don't save. I'm gonna fix it. Let's try. /pi-hole and no pi.hole admin, but still it's already blocked queries and stuff. The mains are blocked. I wanna see local DNS records. I wanna add server local, I mean server pi, and add hidden custom DNS entry. This doesn't work for some reason. Screen here, yeah. Here, let's do sudo get update and sudo get upgrade and sudo apt get auto remove. This should be last one. Sudo get install this and SL also. And I wish I could install Helix, but I don't think so. Pi.hole doesn't work. And what I just did, let's try SSHing into server.py. Yes! Yes, yes. I added a DNS entry. We have DNS. Yes, that's great. Okay, let's try CasaOS Fluidd. We do this as that's intentional. Okay, I have Pi-hole. Wow. Ustream main sale. Cancel. Fluidd. Docker. I wonder why pi.hole doesn't work. I mean, HTTPS shouldn't be here, it should be just HTTP, but it still doesn't work. Ping pi. It does work. It resolves to, I mean, let's ping it here. Pi. It does work and it resolves to, for some reason, this is not IP. I mean, it's still a server. But still. Why? Oh, I feel bad. Okay, why? Updates. I forgot to add white. Docker Fluidd. Fluidd can be hosted with Docker. This is considered an advanced install, but it gives you benefit of hosting a single instance Fluidd and have it connected to multiple printer. The Docker image is updated automatically with each release of Fluidd and on each commit to master or develop branches. There is a list of available Docker image tags. Latest latest master, latest develop SHA. Test and custom package. why pi.hole doesn't work. I mean, http // maybe you can force reload it or something. Can you still hear me? I just pressed Ctrl Alt F5 and I went to TTY. This was thank God I know what TTY is. And it got out pretty quickly. Why pi-hole doesn't work? Maybe I should restart the browser. Yeah, for custom app menu install. Portainer aside from CasaOS, since Portainer has more app availability compared to CasaOS. CasaOS. Portainer, what is Portainer? How? That's the question. Okay. Portainer, let's see. In apps. Still market for me. Lightweight Docker management UI. Wow. Okay, let's install it. So let's Portainer. I'm installing.
Hello, my name is Christopher and today I'm going to install Portainer on CasaOS. This makes it to where you can get more advanced by having
scared me, dude.
those YAML files that are imported. So I'm going to start with a CasaOS install and a fresh one. And
Actually, one thing about UI, I don't need search. Where's search? Where is search? How do I get rid of the search widget? Oh, in settings. Show search bar. Language English, what? Oh wow. English. Web UI port. Wallpaper. What wallpapers are here? Or is it just upload your own? Me out.
I did do a video on installing it down in the description. And we're going to type in search box, see it's a lightweight Docker management UI. So I'm going to press install. And then you can continue in background if you want to, but here it is. And you can go into the settings right here and you can see it's using Docker image Portainer and CE, and then a community edition and 2.18.4 for the version. The title is Portainer. It's going to have a web UI on port 9000. It's using the bridge network. The host is 8000, 8000, 9000, 9000, and 9443. Same there. It's going to have some volumes that it's set for. So host gets set unless stopped. So if you stop this, it won't restart. But
Okay, wallpapers. Exciting. I like the default ones. Portainers here. Let's see what else is shown. Use feed. Where is use feed? Go away. Oops. Oh, maybe I should looked here when I was installing pi-hole. Oh, okay. Show news. Accept. Show recommended apps. I don't need this auto-mount USB drive. Yeah, please update keyword needs latest version. Restart and shut down. That's nice. I didn't see it before. Can I change my avatar? No, I don't really need to. So much talking. Why ads? I have.
Hello, my name's
here
Christopher, and
and
today I'm on
here.
install Portainer on CasaOS,
Literally need
a management
ads.
UI.
Literally live stream.
So I'm going to for see tips. So I'm going to exit out of that, and you can see the check for updates. You can open it. You can see tips. There's not any tips for it, so you can uninstall it. You can power it down, refresh it. Okay, now I'm gonna say open it.
Me too. I'm gonna open it. Close this one. I still don't know what happened to pilot.hole. Podman and stuff. Package Fluidd.
And we can get started with adding a
Container. Password. Confirm password. I'm gonna password for container. Key. Well, characters, are you wild? Yeah, I have long passwords, but this requirement is. Where? My tiki is duplicated. Statistics. Okay, let's create a user. Let's keep admin. I'm admin, not non-infinite coder.
username and password and get the setup UI. So now that we got Portainer installed, we're going to create the user and get the UI up. So start the username admin, and then you can wow. And then I'm gonna create user right here. You can restore from backup if you have one, but I'm gonna create a user, get this thing started, and you can go over here to home, and then you can go to Live Connect right here.
What the heck is that? Creating user. This takes long. Stats home. Live connect to local Docker environment. 3 containers.
And then you'll be able to go into local and you'll be able to start your stacks and your containers. So since we have the Portainer up and running and we just went through the setup, I'm going to go into stacks over here under local, and then I'm going to go to add a stack right here.
Okay, let's try it. Stacks. Wow. Add stack. Use my backdoor.
And I'm going to do example stack, and I'm going to paste in my Docker compose that I'll be using just for an example to show you it is working.
I have no experience with Docker actually. I've tried mainsim, but I wanna try Fluidd now. Installation OS Arch airline image versions. I don't know what Docker Compose is.
So version 3 Docker tag Casa is now on the host this in the container event done. We're gonna deploy this
Image next DHCP Fluidd call Fluidd. This is part. I feel like if I add external link, commands. What's that? Finish. Docker. Already.
Hello everybody, my name is Alan, I'm from Cyberlab, and today I will show how you can install CasaOS. In this video I will use a virtual machine, but potentially you can use a proper computer or either VPS, a server outside your house or your operating system. So if you like this, the drive is a NSSSD and they say help. Otherwise I can tape manually and decide which image that I want to use. So I have this one in mind. Now we can look to do the installation in our system. The system that we're gonna use will be my Ubuntu server. It's a virtual machine. So it's do my login and do that. It's the Docker.
Okay. What is Docker pool? What's a Docker pool? Okay, so it's something like a base image. Right, am I right? Okay, let's just try it. Fluidd. Okay, that's wrong. This is adding an application. Oh, that is on the system installed. Actually, can install it on the system. So import customized Docker image. This Fluidd web UI. 8000 Fluidd. I'm 80 Fluidd. It's in the web. Bridge port 8080 TCP. Volumes environment container command features high memory limit unlimited container host name with double D intent ports in use 1000k fine 8001 sorry actually 9000 it's use 8080 error sports invalid reference format. Okay, fine. What is Docker Compose? I can total container Docker Compose overview. For defining and running multi-container Docker applications with Compose, you can use a YAML file, etc. etc. How do I use it? Compose. Great Compose with tool. Okay, Docker Compose. Give me the example. Text, code, whatever is this. Version services. Oh, wow. Can compose installed using Docker Compose. How do I use Docker Compose? try Docker Compose. Create a Docker file. I don't know what this. Find a compose file. What about this? Services web image ports 8080 to 80. Yeah, I'm gonna do this exam. Let's see. It's going web image image ports dash where's the list? Image ports 8080. We need ports here. Don't think I do. Redis. I don't need this services. Version 3 with quotes. Let's add that. Version 3 with quotes. Sorry to everyone that uses Docker. Access control. I don't need access control. I don't think so, at least.
So now that's all done, we're going to deploy the stack right here.
Deploy. I can't. Why I can't? Oh. Okay, I don't need access control still.
And you'll see in the example it is running. So you'll see the logs are saying that it is running. So now I'm going to go over to my my IP address. So this is the IP address of the Portainer, and you'll put your Portainer IP address in there, and then you do 8080. Then you'll see that welcome to Nginx, and
So actually I can do server.local. Can I do it here? I mean server by. I don't think I can because browser is not refreshed. As you can see by whole by. Actually I can. Wow. So still waiting for it to deploy. 2 hours. I don't stream for that long normally. Thank Evo on site for support, because if I had 0 viewers for such a long time, I probably would end the stream already. Deployment in progress. Yay, we deployed. Why is this white? Maybe because like it's running published port 0000, but server by Fluidd! We have Fluidd! Yes! Oh, wow. Wow. Finally. Yes. Legacy app to be rebuilt. What does to be rebuilt mean? Import to CasaOS. It's Fluidd. Oh, yes. Okay, can I do like slash pub icon? Okay, can I do that? Web UI, you know it, it's 8080. Yes. Yeah, this actually is a successful stream. That's rare, but that's a successful stream. Add printer API URL. I don't know how to use this, but I'm gonna do this later. I streamed for long enough. Thank you. You on site for sticking on it. Thanks everyone. This was quite a long stream. Have a nice day. I'm gonna rate Grumble. Maybe actually I should rate can we they're all gaming. They don't really want games. Want to read gamers right now, at least. Two programmers in gaming at the same time. Well, bad companies are mine. Why? It's not related. Okay, software gaming. Late start because I'm addicted to just one runs on game dev. Okay. I trust you. Hope you won't keep new rating. Oh, this was such a long stream, but it was productive. I looked into Podman and DFS later after the stream. Thank you guys. Don't give failure. Thank you on site. Have a nice day or night. Bye. I'm not used to